What is PiChat and how is it related with its users' country GDP? PiChat is a revolutionary new social network that pays 95% of its revenue back to its users. The funds generated by the social network stay within the user's domestic land, rather than being sent to the centralized owner of the social network. This allows for a more equitable distribution of wealth and stimulates the economy of the user's domestic land. The decentralized nature of PiChat also offers a level of security and privacy that is not possible with traditional centralized social networks. PiChat represents the future of social networking and the potential of decentralized software, with the potential to change the way we think about the internet and the role of social media in our lives.